so this is my puppy Raven. She's 7 years old. She's really cute. And I'm featuring her on my channel right now. She's not usually on my channel because I do a bunch of other stuff. Raven, come here. Say hi to all the people. Say hi. Say hi, Raven. So, yeah, that's just her trying to say hi. She's very cute. Anyways, okay, good night, everyone. Can you say bye? Hey, Raven. You say bye. Yeah? Yeah, we're going to say bye. Oh, okay. She says bye.